So how to fix Snapchat add-in friends problem? So the first thing you want to do to fix this problem is very simple and easy. Just go to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode from here, and after 5 seconds exactly, disable it. And after that, go back to the home page and now open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Search for Snapchat and click on update right here to update your Snapchat. After you do this, now all what you want to do next is turn off your phone and turn it on again, and the problem must be solved. If it's not solved yet, then you may have to go to the settings, go to the apps manager, open the apps like this. On this page you will find all the apps, wait a few seconds and then scroll until you find Snapchat, click on it and then click on force stop right here. That's it, very easy and simple. Don't forget to like and subscribe.